Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm working on a Audi Q7 2014. I'm going to show you how to reset your service. After you change your oil, you want to reset it to make sure it's good. You come inside and press this button right here, but sometimes it works, sometimes it don't work. I guess it's the switch going bad, but you can start it up from right here. There you go. So once it cranked up, you want to come down here, and you can do it two ways. You can press menu right here, and up there here you can turn the knob and select car. Alright, so that's one way to get to that menu. You're gonna press down on the button for enter. You're gonna come here, then you want to press car system, so you want to press this button right here. Press that, and then you want to make sure it's at servicing and checks. If it's not there, you just want to turn the knob till it go over there and press enter. And by the way, push down on this is enter. Alright, then you want to go to service intervals, and go ahead and press enter. Then you want to scroll down to reset oil change interval. Alright, press enter, scroll up to yes, press enter, and that's it, guys. That's how you reset the oil light or service on the Audi Q7, and this is a 2014. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Alright, see you next time. Oh, I'm gonna show you the other way. It's basically the same thing, but it's just to get to the menu a bit faster. You want to press car right here, and then it will go to like here, and then you want to do the same thing. So when you press car, it will go to there. You want to do the same thing right here. Press the menu, not menu, I'm sorry. Press car, go to there, come right here, press this right here, bring it to there. You want to select this right here as I showed you before. That's it. And you'll scroll down. Alright, peace out, guys. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Help me help you. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time.